Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 409, that is shortest distance after road addition queries. Okay, so if you guys haven't watched this video yet, then I suggest you guys to please go ahead and watch this video in which I have explained this disastrous algorithm. This is a Leetcode problem number 205. Okay, and we have solved, I think, last week this problem. Okay, so in this problem I explained all about the disastrous algorithm, how it works. Okay, so now without any delay, let's read the problem statement for this weekly contest problem. So in this problem you are given an integer n and a 2D integer array queries. There are n cities numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so n is equal to 5, so simply means we have cities from 0 to 4. Initially there is a unidirectional road from city I to I plus 1. Okay, so city 0 is connected with city 1, city 1 is connected with city 2, city 2 is connected with city 3, city 3 is connected with city 4. Okay, queries of IUI represent the addition of a new unidirectional road from city U of I to city V of I, and after each query you need to find the length of the shortest path from city 0 to city n minus 1. Okay, so here initially the roads are like this: 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2, 3 to 4. Then I ran this query 2 to 4, so there is one path from 2 to 4. Okay, so now when I start from 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. Okay, directly I can go. So we need to move from starting node to the end node. So minimum distance that it's taking 1 2 3. Okay, that is simply means we are returning 3 here. Okay, so this 3. Okay, so here one thing is clear now, that what I am doing here, I am finding the shortest path from a single source. Okay, and which is nothing but my disastrous algorithm. Okay, single source shortest path algorithm, that is nothing but my disastrous algorithm. Okay, so that is why I prefer to watch this video first. Okay, so please go ahead and watch it if you understand this problem in deep. Okay, now now after that I ran this query 0 to 2. Okay, so I have added one more path 0 to 2. Okay, so now I need to start from this source to reach to this destination. Okay, so 0 to 2 1, 2 to 4 2. Okay, so that is why I am writing 2 here. Okay, then I have added this path 0 to 4. Okay, so from 0 I can directly start and directly reach to this 4. So single path, so 0 to 4 1. Okay, so that's the example number 1. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this example number 1. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so in this initially I'm creating this variable inf. So in this I'm just storing the maximum value of integers. Okay, so we need this variable later on, so that is why I've just created this variable. Then I am creating this distances array. Okay, so this distances array is nothing but the result that I'm going to return in the end, 3 2 1. Okay, so for that purpose I have created this distances array. Okay, then after that I am creating this map. Okay, new hash map. Okay, and inside this map I am just going to create a new array list for all the nodes. Okay, for 0 I am creating a new array list. Okay, for 1 I am creating new array list, for 2 I am creating new array list. Okay, like this. So we have to do this, like let's say if my n is equal to 5, then for until 4 we have to do this. Okay, then inside this array list. Okay, I'm what I'm doing, I am iterating over all the nodes one by one. So we need to move from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, simply till 3. Okay, because there is path like this now: 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 there is path, then 3 to 4 there is path, after 4 there is no path, right? So I am just going to move until here, because I need to connect the 0 with 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Okay, that's why. So here graph.get I. Okay, so get this node 0, and in this I'm just going to add one array. Okay, so here how I'm adding, I plus 1 is 1. Okay, and then I am adding 1. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the weight. Okay, or you can say distance, that distance. Okay, this is weight, and to this node. Okay, then 1 to 2 I can reach in this distance. Okay, so this is one array. Okay, then 2 to 3 I can reach in one distance, then 3 to 4 I can reach in one distance, then 4 there is no partner, so that is why I'm not filling. Okay, so that is why I'm running it till n minus 1. Okay, and then after that I'm iterating over all the queries one by one. Okay, whatever the query is given to us. Okay, so in this queries, okay, so first I am creating one array, queries array. Okay, and here u is equal to from, u is nothing but from, v is nothing but 2. Okay, from this value to this value I need to move. Okay, so here I am going to get graph.get u. Okay, so let's say in this case first query is 2 by 4. Okay, so 2 by 4, I'm taking the example of 2 by 4. Okay, so here from 2 is nothing but my u, and 4 is nothing but my v. Okay, so graph.get 2, so here I go to this 2, and in this I am just going to add this new value. Okay, 4. Okay, so from 2 to 4 I can go in just one distance, right? So that is why I'm writing one weight, or you can say distance. Okay, so here I am writing 4 and 1. Okay, so this is the meaning. Then after that I am creating one priority queue, and in priority queue I am arranging the elements based on their second value. Okay, second distance a of a1. Okay, now after that in the priority queue I am just going to initially add 0 by 0. Okay, 0 by 0, because initially we are at source now. From source we need to move to this destination. Okay, so source distance to itself is nothing but 0. Okay, that is why I'm writing 0 0. Then I'm creating one min distance array, and in min distance array I'm filling all the values with inf, and inf is nothing but infinity. Okay, so if I say let n here, okay, n is nothing but what is the value of n. Okay, so here you see n value is here. Okay, so in this case n is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and here I am filling all the values to infinity. Okay, so I have filled this value to infinity, this value to infinity, this value to infinity, this value to infinity. This one is also I have filled infinity, but later on I have updated this to 0. Okay, because distance of source to itself is 0, and right now all other distances I am marking it as infinity. Okay, initially. Okay, then after that I am running this while loop. Okay, this while loop. Okay, so here inside this I am checking my priority queue is not empty. So right now I have added this now. So from 0 we are starting. That simply means then u node is equal to node of 0. Okay, so 0 here, and u distance is node of 1 distance. Okay, node of 1 simply means 0. I have added 0 only, 0. Okay, so right now u distance is nothing but 0. 0 is greater than uh, mean distance of u node. Mean distance of 0 is 0 only. Okay, mean distance of 0, if I check here, so it is 0 only. So this is not true, so I'm not going to execute this part. Then after that I'm going to check the neighbors. Okay, so int neighbor, this is array. Okay, so here graph dot get u node 0. Okay, so for 0 check the neighbors. So 0 neighbor is 1. Okay, okay, so I'm going to 0's neighbor. Okay, so here this is nothing but neighbor of 0. Okay, so 1 and 1 here. Okay, then after that we are checking mean distance of u node. Okay, mean distance of u node, mean distance of 0 is 0 only. In this 0 I am adding weight. Okay, so weight is nothing but neighbor of 1, so it is 1. 0 plus 1 is less than my mean distance of v node. Okay, so mean distance of v node, so v node mean distance of 1 is equal to infinity. So 1 is less than infinity, right? Mean distance of v node. Okay, mean v node is equal to this 0. V node is equal to 1, and here check 1 index, it is infinity. Okay, so that is why. So here I am just going to update mean distance of v node as mean distance of v node. V node is 1, so mean distance of 1 is equal to mean distance of u node, or mean distance of u node is nothing but 0, right? 0 plus weight, I have added weight. Okay, so m1 of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so I have updated this value to 1, and that is true now, because distance from, if I move to 0 to 1 I have to take the distance 1. Okay, only one path is added, 2 to 4, but here if I want to move 0 to 1 then distance is 1 only. Okay, so I have updated this. Then in the priority queue I'm just going to add my v node. Okay, so what is my v node here? So here just search for v node, and then after that I have to add the mean distance of v node. So my v node is 1, and my mean distance of v node is also 1 now. Okay, so that's it, that's what we need to do. Okay, here, so this is done. Then after this we have to update the minimum distance. Okay, so distances of I. Okay, so here initially what is the value of I, my I value? So here initially see here, initially we are iterating over all the queries one by one. Okay, so I is equal to nothing but 0 only, so distance of 0 is equal to mean distance of n minus 1. Okay, infinity. Okay, if it is in infinity, then -1, otherwise we have to update n-1. Okay, so in the end actually it is going to give the result. Okay, so you have to just follow the same process. Okay, so this problem will be easy for you guys if you just watch this video first. Okay, Leetcode 205. Okay, but this is the solution. Okay, and if you guys need the more clarity about this problem, then please write in the comment section. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this question number 2 of weekly contest 409. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.